Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Na sisi amene ka sei ebia wutie utie during a different time. Ebia wutie on a different day. Na meya recording ni eye embra NDC for womo ewidi womo manifesto. Na matie bia hwe bia womo wieye. Sisi amene ka sei Professor Jenna Opoku Agyeman ene kasa. Ena maba abonten mi ankasa ma yese me ba be ye broadcast na tremo na manifesto NDC manifesto awo mo de abai de enyama ba ko mienu bi ena me pese me bosso me hu ne say sisi ade because I have noticed the strategy the NDC have used in this manifesto. Now strategy awo mo ye ne say ye ne nim say aban bi aba we want the shortfalls Mahama Nimbreso wabaye a confirm yenia yenim. Ekufado nso breso wabaye excavators and insensem. Now the strategy I have seen say NDC for use wo manifesto nimu and say baby a Ghana for ni na sorry tia President Ekufado no eho na wo mo bosso na ma Ghana for hu say okay osi obejai we to the extent say me there manifesto ni na de eye me nwanwa esanso ye me sre ene say NDC for say sa 500 missing excavators no wo mo ba wo mo Ghana I see 500 missing excavators no wo mo ba sanso akwa hwehwe agya ma the owners galamse fu ayama omodwuma say wo mo ba just say wo be regulating the fine no mo akọ back banking sector for wo mo adwuma no egu no wo mo ba ye be sanso aye ne ye ama wo mo a wo mo sika hye e wo financial institutions men's gold ni nyama ni na no wo mo ba ye de mo sika be mo biom nti wo hu places and crofo just say a lot of people are angry say oh Ekufado ba na wo egu ba e ho na wo mo stress wo so na me de excavators die na me hu say oh ho we die na wo so ya de share manifesto mu missing excavators wo bi beka Mahama en confirm eyere aye no ungo hwehwe mba yo na so go hwehwe Ghana politics me the excavators ni die ti na ma say me ba be ye broadcast because I was saying one say MPP for ye omo de wie me betena ase enya MPP for wo mo manifesto document no and me board in some so ni atrem na munia mo hu so okay the major things are MPP for ye ni NDC for so da amu wi a wo mo the document or mo manifesto document no betu dwa me ba betena ha say na ye analysis on it but we no na me person me kasa wo so excavators no I think say adding that to the manifesto was too petty. It was too petty. Because umreso no unso nyama yeraye. Umreso corruption sense bi koso. But umreso nyama na yeraye no eno de wo nkwa hwehwe. Excavators yesi ayera na wo kwa hwehwe because ebedane topic e wo Ghana and the excavators inti Mahama de ashe manifesto mu and NDC for the ashe manifesto mu said the missing excavators no mo ba na politician o je kra ono NDC for ne kra ne be yiso o kope o de koma hwan excavator sebi wo bi to obi an excavator na nda ayera wato na adwe mu o se wo ko gide ni ba ko wa forget kra ni ba ko na forget excavator ansensem no se excavator Mimi hu ne say wo de ahye utrim say wo ba obagie a these are not things wo background because akwa say corruption and you are fighting corruption. You see these are not things ebia ye boss sa ebia ye generalize no eka say corruption sensem bia e course so under ebia President Akufo-Addo no ye ba ye behwem eno no ne ehu ne say yes why ye ne diplomatic na wo be kan say excavators ayira no o campaign promise like manifest ene na ebia na wo bi enti ase obi a wo support NDC ebia na wante na say ade what the year manifest or the year manifesto how han saying you guys don't understand ye beto abama o promise ba ko na ya o say excavators ayira. I don't know what you think, but for me, it is too petty. Whoa, it is too petty. Especially, and I've told you already. You find say Nanka Mahama ne ho song. This is the first time in a war back. One certain record be a 1 year. But let me say this, NDC manifesto no, yes, there are other things, and I don't want say Ghana has a same year. A year na we narrow it down to just 1 point. I don't want to. That's not what I am seeking to do. NDC manifesto no tia. Woman can sempa, especially we share free SHS now. Once a free SHS, no one thing and Crawford complain, especially the private schools. Complain no more complain here and say private schools no the free SHS na enka womo. Inti ama private schools no mo lose customers. Inti the administrators of the private schools ka ba bonte be complain here. So I think one good thing at NDC for a kind of say free SHS no, they will extend it to even the private school. Once a year na MPP for can say Mahama ba free SHS no obegu no. So people were expecting say ebia free SHS kra won touch so. Nanka ya de akoye politics say one can not so oba begu no. But waka say wo ba kra na wo ba expanding na the private sector. Not say wo ba or can say wo ba kra wo ba be den abetinim wobabe ma atre na eko nti I feel say that policy is a very good one and obesan so be extend akọ tertiary education for level 100 for musomuntia. I think say that one is also a very good policy. And so I don't want to make the whole thing look like I am narrowing the whole manifesto because there are a lot of good things there. If only in some no omubedi so there are a lot of good things now a lot of people are shocked because now you say DAC MPP akani na but there are a lot of good things that MPP NDC funds so aka wo manifesto ni mo say yes but we will address that issue later. But there many person make a manifesto there no intiane na make can say nipa kura wo ka there many person make a excavator there no sorry and then na make say nipa kura wo ka excavator asam no and you say dia ne ho so ono so ne mbre enyame bi yeraye. I don't know whether you guys are getting my point. Ono ne time enyama yeraye na nke bia Mahama ba ebe manifesto ka say okay excavators no mehwehwe na mehwehwe excavators ni wi a en confirm na omo etu akọ nso meye den mekwa akọhwehwe na ne de ehu ne say yes wo ba say wo behwehwe enyama ye de enyama ni na eye den eraye. But so ba na be ka say excavators no behwehwe na omo a jese kwa akodi omo ho no waje akọ honest no na Ghana sike de ko yen confirm na an confirm na esi omo etu akọ na ene de yen hwehwe in confirm de yen hwehwe wo me dey asem de bia make and these politicians they are all the same. They are all the same. Now hey, anyway, you know, I'll do a special just like I did for the MPP. I'll do the same thing for the NDC. Very, very special. And we'll talk about it and you guys will see. We'll talk about the things they said. Now, mene mame na nehe. Na Mahama to me born some nebi so na me mame akikem say masresa manifesto no me mame nehu. Mahama to be cancer na me mame akikem say we ni na aka ho just say onuka ni yem hihye no Mahama nsem a wo bobo so no ono so si obeye airport e wo upper west to say upper east to say dey just say anyway we'll address the issues. We'll address the issues. So stick and stay, don't worry, cry. stick and stay. We Justice Kwekwana ne Kasadame. Anyway, don't worry. We address the issues. You know, you better NDC for document. Ya share the outstanding things are one more aircam. But so far, no, I've seen on social media a lot of people. I mean, saying say, well, they thought say ABR nanka NDC for any shaker, but they've seen say NDC for so one crop. Anyway, let's see.